Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you what is autofill range activity in Excel activities. So let me show you this. So you can find this autofill range activity under this Excel, under this processing. You can see this autofill range activity. So it is used to fill a range using a source range rule. Okay, so I will explain you what is this source range and destination range. So look at this document. Look at this workbook, Excel workbook, which I have three sheets in it: orders, people, and returns. So, for example, I want to create a column and I want to name it as customer ID, and I need to fill some cells in this sheet automatically. So, what can we do in Excel is, for example, let me create a column name as customer ID. Okay, so if I want to fill the customer ID sequentially, what can I do is, in the first cell I will give 1 and in the second cell I will give the value 2. So select these two cells which are nothing but source range in our UiPath, and click on this down right corner of this cell range and drag till your requirement. For example, if I want to get only 30 IDs sequentially, so I will just do like this. So you can see now the remaining cells have filled automatically. So what can you do in this UiPath to get to autofill these remaining cells is, so for example, let me delete this and go to our UiPath Studio and drag and drop Excel application scope activity. So to perform any operation in Excel, you need to use this Excel application scope activity, and you need to provide the workbook path. So click on this folder icon and I will provide my workbook path. So okay, now I'm going to use this autofill range activity. You can use this activity only inside Excel application scope activity, and here you can see you need to fill some. You need to give some fields like fill range and sheet name and source range. Okay, so what is this source range for autofill is, in the Excel sheet we have given the two values, first and second. Okay, so first you need to give the values in these two cells, so then the Excel will automatically fill the remaining cells like this. So you can also do like, for example, let me give the month of the years January, and in the second cell I will give February. So when I select these two and I will click at the down right corner of these two cells, I will just drag till my requirement, so like December. So it will continue to fill to autofill the remaining cells. So let me click here and I will drop. So after completing December, it is clear autofilling from starting month of the year. So let me delete this. I have shown you this for your understanding only. So look at this, it is filling automatically, right? So I need to give, I will delete this one and I need to fill these two cells, and I need to give the range of these two cells in UiPath, so that it will get to know that it is the remaining cells need to fill automatically in a sequential manner. So what the range I am going to give in this UiPath is C2 and C3. Okay, I am going to give this range C2 is to C3. So in the UiPath, the source range within quotations C2 is to C3, and in the destination range it is up to your requirement. Okay, so if you want customer IDs of 30 IDs, you need to give this 31. Okay, so from C2 to C31. Okay, this is the range we are going to give in this destination field. It is C2 to C32. And the next important thing is you need to give the sheet name exactly. So look at the sheet name, it is returns. We'll give the sheet name. Okay, so that's it. And so let me run this process. It will automatically fill the remaining cells in sequential manner. So run this process and see. So task is done, and look at this document. The remaining cells have automatically filled up to the given range. Okay, so this is how to use autofill range activity in UiPath. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.